E- Yeah.
Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
everyone. Oh, nice.
It was a good sync.
Yeah, nice. Okay. So I guess we can wait for next 2 minutes, I guess.
Yes, we can wait for 2 minutes and then we'll start. Meanwhile, folks, where are you guys joining from? We will love to know in the chat. Let us see where are you folks joining from. I'm joining in from Kolkata. My fellow organizer Manish is also joining in from Kolkata. Where
Yeah,
are you folks from?
Kolkata. Okay.
Great. Sanma is joining right from the university.
Nice. We also have audience from Bhubaneswar.
Great. Swastika is joining in from Bhubaneswar. Hi, Swastika. We have Katya from Indore. And yeah, majority of them are from Kolkata.
This is Hack4Bengal.
Yes, great to know that.
Nice.
Uh, okay, Akku is from Agartala. Akku was very active in yesterday's session also, the postman one.
Home. Nice. A unique answer. That is home. Okay. We have Kunal also from New Delhi. Hi, Kunal. Begusarai. Pawan shifted to Begusarai.
One literally took a flight right now.
Hmm.
We have people from Siliguri also. We have Anurag
Yeah.
Mishra from IIST, Indian Institute of Science and Technology, also our community partner. Great. We have Aparup. Hello, folks. How are you doing? Are you excited for the hackathon to begin? The hack will begin in a few hours. How are you guys? How are you feeling?
Okay. Awesome. So, yep. Yep.
Great. We'll just start wait for another 1 minute and then we'll start. Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Okay then. I guess Manish, we are good to go. Can we
Yeah.
start?
Yeah. Yeah. We can start. Go ahead.
Great. I guess also, just a minute.
Okay. We have Sagni, guys. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hi,
Hello,
Manish.
Sagni.
Hi, Shubham. Sorry, I guess there is some camera issue. I was trying to fix it. I couldn't fix it, so really sorry. I'll be available on voice only. So yeah,
Great.
hello everyone. Welcome to the event. Yeah, Shubham, should we start?
Yeah. We should share. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, so first of all, a warm welcome to everyone who have joined the stream. And not only the stream, Shubham, actually to start with, it started with a CCD like catch up, with me and you and Manish. Like it started from there. Like we were discussing about, so like there was guilds that we were following in the MLH event, the local hack shares and everyone. And then suddenly the idea came with us three, ki karte hai na, let's do something. And from there still now like 1600 registration. Oh my god, I didn't think of even 200 registrations. And like the thanks to the whole team, not only like the organizers but the whole team that has helped us tremendously to organize the events. And let's start with the flow of the event. So like
Yeah.
basically this event will be the opening ceremony, like whatever we have done through the whole event of the Hack4Bengal, like the pre-hackathon session, the hackathon event, everything. And also, sorry for the noise. And also, like
It is
to
okay.
discuss more about the event, we first like must go through the flow of the event that were there in the hackathon organizing team. So we first started with the pre-hackathon session. So like Shubham, as we discussed, like we didn't want this hackathon to be just a normal coding and solving problems. We wanted to be a whole learning session. So like we organized different sessions. So we like onboard like different sponsors. So can you go to the next slide, Shubham, so we can go to the
Yep. Yep.
flow?
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So how did it all start? So just I said, like it's just started with the CCD meet to be very informal. And basically it was idea, the idea was bringing the all the solutions, all the events, all the sponsors, all the resources that are available there in the technological, like the industry that are there. Like most of the students of the eastern India are not aware of the community outside. Like me and Shubham, like we were the first batch of our university and we didn't got the exposure of having different communities, so we created on our own, we created all the chapters on our own, and the exposure we got from there, like it was nonetheless awesome. So, and also
Yeah,
like the main target was providing a platform to the student, all the students that are there, all the hackers that are there, we like to call them hackers. So like that was the main goal of us, to bring in more hackers and to give them the proper resources and make them love with problem solving. Can we go to the next slide, Shubham?
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We are
So the
already in a
logo.
hack.
Yeah. So the logo. So the logo, it might seem that the logo is only a H and a West Bengal, but like it basically like consists of four ones. That four ones and it looks like a Z, which stands for zero. So zero and one is a binary system. Yeah. And also like the West Bengal, we are backed by West Bengal. We have so many different guests from the different parts of West Bengal. So the West Bengal has helped us so much organizing our event. So that what the logo signifies. The logo signifies how a team and how a community can back the students to grow on their own. Yeah, we can go to the next slide.
Yeah, I'll yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So now our mission. So like I have already told that like developing an environment, a good environment is always like very fruitful for all the students, all the hackers, all the programmers that are there. And we targeted to reach different segment of the society that didn't have the exposure of the community, exposure of the things that are happening. They don't know about APIs, they don't know about such web development boot camps that are there. They don't know about all the DSCs, MLSs, anything. So that was the main target, and creating a community that they can learn on their own, they can teach, they can learn the give and take, the learning that they can do through the give and take policy. So that would be awesome. So that was our main mission. Yeah, we can go to the next slide. So basically every event, like we are very free flow for the event, but as you know, like there are many participants and there are almost 250 teams and almost like 1600 registration. So there must be some rules, so like you have to follow few rules, but basically we strive for the excellence and good solutions. That is the main thing that we need for the success of the event, good solutions. Yeah, next please.
I guess there's some, yeah.
Yeah, I guess Shubham, we are in the code screen and we can go to the next. Yeah, so this is the next screen of the code.
Yep.
Yeah. So like as I already told, like 1500 plus, it was a bit old. Like now we have 1600 hackers. So like it was amazing. It started from zero. We didn't think of even 500 because like it was the first event from our university, from this community, and like thanks to all of you that we reached such a big point that we can brag about it. That we have 1500 hackers on board. Yeah. So it's a great feat not only for us but all the whole community that made it happen. Yeah. Next, please. So basically 1552 applications were there, like I said, and 189 submission rate. So almost 70% students submitted successfully for their application. So that is a great detail, that is a great statistics on its own for a very first event. And we promise that the event will grow bigger and bigger for the next seasons. We might not be there, me and Shubham might not be there, but the community will strive and the community will go on and on. Next, please.
This was a
So
brief statistics of
this is the,
the, that one.
yeah, yeah. So like this is the very first season. This is just the first season, and we have gone 1600, 1550 plus. Like it is unimaginable, Shubham, isn't it?
Yep, totally. Like starting in from just 200, and you might see there's a dip in curve. There was just like a straight line, and in the end part, we got the support of community partners, sponsors, and it went up all the way all time high. And we
Yeah,
just got so much participation. It's actually great to see so much of participation in a hackathon that's in its very first version.
yeah. And like if you remember, like we three were in a meeting on the very first day at CCD. That if you
Yep,
get
yep.
any sponsor or not, and we'll come to that a bit late. Like the support was amazing. That is the first thing. Like though it is the very first season, but it didn't feel like, right, Shubham?
Yep.
It that did it feel like it is the first season and like we never did something like this before, Manish?
Yeah, true. Uh,
Yeah,
so okay, so we need to move further. Yeah,
yeah. Go on to the next slide.
like okay,
Yeah.
so
So now, yeah,
yeah,
yeah. So Manish,
so
you can take from this, I guess.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
All right, let me just. Okay, cool. So, guys, basically, like hackathon is going to just start in few hours. It's 7:15 right now, so most probably you have 2 hour and 45 minutes around. So before getting started with your hackathon for ideation and submission, you can start your submission but just after hackathon start. You can able to access your dashboard, you can access your app, like registration is already closed, so you can access everything like how you can register, what are the details you need to put in, and also we will share a video how to submit a project. But before that, I want to let you know every sort of details whatever is required for submission of your project. Okay, so basically, there are some general rules like all the submission material must be created during this hackathon only. Like we are not accepting any existing project. If you have any existing project and you are modifying anything, you will be simply disqualified for this particular hackathon because yeah, few hackathons accepts existing project, but for this particular hackathon, we are only expecting a fresh project. Okay, which should be built in this 48 hours only, as this is a 48 hours hackathon. And also you may use pre-existing material that which is open source, like you can use libraries, apis, music with given credits and images. But you just need to if you are using it, you just need to give them the credit because as it's not yours, so and just follow the open source ethics. That's it. uh, Now, rules for GitHub. To submit your project, you need to upload your code and make sure your like your team members are also collaborating in your GitHub repository, so that we can track like you guys work together, right? So like follow the GitHub rules, like GitHub rules, like you need to create a GitHub repository and make sure it should be public. And if you are not keeping it public, and we if our judges or our audience not able to access it, it automatically get disqualified. Okay, so now rules for readme. So readme file must contain a detailed description of your project. If the hack is live, like if your project is live and it's hosted, you just need to put all those links and like so that it's easily accessible for our judges to test it. Okay, and also you can put all the relevant links. If you want to add, put your team members names and their ids, if you want that, you can simply do it. Okay. Yeah, so also after your hack will done, you need to like upload a video, you need to record a video that will show your whole project, like how it's going and what is your approach for solving a particular problem. You need to mention every sort of thing in the particular video. So the video should not be longer than 3 minutes, and it must be published on YouTube or maybe Google Drive or whatever platform you want, but it should be accessible in publicly, right? So that our audience and our judges or even our mentors can access it. Okay, so from here, I guess Subham will take.
Yep, yep, sure.
Yeah, go
Uh,
ahead.
Manish, can you share? Can you share my screen?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, here
Yes,
it is.
great.
Yeah.
So here comes the most exciting part of all, like our sponsors who gave us full support during this hackathon, which was in its very first season. We got an sponsorship, like not totally in cash price and all. We have at least 20 lakhs prize pool. We have a prize pool of 20 lakh rupees. A successful event is never possible, like until and unless we are executing it, until and unless it's done, right? So we had many sponsors. I'll tell you one by one. We had GitHub, we had Defolio, we had Filecoin, Cello, Postman, Taskade, One Password, Author, Sticker Mule, Capital One, Linode, and So many. I can't even count the list as of now. When we started, we did not even believe that we could have so many sponsors, right, Manish? Am I correct? We thought of that we'll just get 2 to 3 sponsors and we'll just do it as in, a small kind of thing. And probably you're on mute, Manish.
Oh,
Yes.
so sorry, so sorry. I was talking in mute. So
Yeah,
basically, we even not expected one monetary sponsor,
exactly.
because yeah, this it is what, like in a online event there are very less number of sponsor who can sponsor
Yes, and
us.
you folks won't believe the number of sponsors we reached out to. So shout
True.
out to all of our sponsors who helped us during this tough time. Maybe I must say, because actually we were all working from home, so we couldn't even meet each other physically too much. So we used to do Google Meets every night at 9:30, and it became like a daily routine for the last 5 to 6 months, and it was great. It was a memory to cherish. Again, now comes the most exciting part. Can you folks guess in the chat? What is the most exciting part? Come on, folks. Let me see who knows, who has that blood flowing inside. Can you guess
Just
the
put
most
it on the
exciting
chat.
part? Yes, just on the chat. Who
It
knows?
should be
It'll be
like
it'll be fetching you
anything.
something. What do you think is the most exciting part? What will be next? What will be next, folks?
I
Prizes.
guess we
Here
should.
we have Sakshidas. Thank you for telling. Yes, now is the most important part, which is prizes. Any hackathon is incomplete without prizes, right? So we will be having a lot of prizes, and let me walk you through them. So the first prize and the total prize for the hackathon winner will be 2000 INR, which will be for all the 4 team members. And also we'll be giving the team members Hack for Bengal exclusive t-shirts, Hack for Bengal stickers, Dayfolio swags, GitHub swags, MLH, that is Major League Hacking swags, exclusive goodie bag from our sponsors, and a lot more credits. You folks will be communicated over mail about whoever the winner is, and you will be knowing it in more details in our website also. So this was for the total prize. For the first and second runners up, we have a price of 15,000 INR and 10,000 INR. So, and also the same Hack for Bengal t-shirts for all, and well as stickers, Dayfolio swags, GitHub swags, MLH swags, sponsor bags, and a lot of more of other things like maybe DigitalOcean credits, Cascade things, and all. There are many things which we have, right? So this is just a very brief. I'm just telling very briefly about what we have. You will be knowing about it in more details if you go to the website which we have, that is hackforbengal.dayfolio.co. You can just go over there and visit it. Coming to the best girls and best beginners team, right? Because we want like this to be for the beginners as well, and also we do recognize uh, women in tech. So we will be having prizes for the best girls team and best beginners team. They'll get 5,000 rupees in cash or in INR. The best girls team, and also the other things remain the same. And also for the best beginners team, because we want beginners, we appreciate beginners, we will be giving them Amazon vouchers. The amount will be disclosed later, so let the beginners think about it. It will be a kind of suspense, but yeah, it will be pretty good, I must say. Coming to the sponsor prizes, we have for the best use of Tezos, there will be 20,000 for the best DApp built on Tezos, and there will be also continuity grant opportunities for up to $5,000. Mind it, $5,000 for outstanding projects. Okay, this is by Tezos. Also, the best use of Polygon gets 10,000 rupees for the best hack built on Ethereum, or 15,000 rupees for the best hack built on Ethereum plus Polygon. Okay, and also you folks will be eligible to apply for an internship or full time role and seed funding of 5,000 USD for the winners. Okay, so there will be things like that. So you must look into the sponsor tracks as well. Coming to the best use of Celo, there will be 20,000 INR for the best dApp built on Celo and also continuity support. And also for Filecoin, there will be 20,000 for the best use of IPFS or Filecoin, okay, and or Filecoin. So there are many sponsor tracks. Here we have mentioned mostly all of them. Also, the best use of Deso gets exclusive Deso branded tumbler and also $100 worth of Deso coins. And also the best use of Auth will get some exclusive swags, including Tumblr, a Rubik's Cube, sticker, and whatnot. So everybody wants swags, right? So we have swags for everyone. When I say swags for everyone, I mean it. I'll tell you in a minute what do I mean by that. Also, we have GoDaddy and Herrera. That is the best domain name from GoDaddy registry. They'll win a hack from home kit. Each kit contains wireless earbuds, blue light glasses, selfie ring light, and a pouch for easy transport. Also, the best blockchain project using Herrera wins an amazing, glorious, modular, compact mechanical keyboards. So the gamers out there, get your hands ready for hacking. Okay. Coming over to Linode and Twilio, the best use of Linode Cloud gets a Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit, and the most creative use of Twilio gets a Twilio swag box and a Game Go console. And here we have the most creative use of GitHub, the one which you all are looking for. I know, I can just feel it from here. Will win a GitHub Octocat statue, a plushie, and a sticker bundle. That's for the most creative use of GitHub. And also there will be swags for all, which is our motto: swags for all. An MLH sticker, a season mascot, and a thank you postcard. So that totally you will be knowing about more about it in details. We have a chance of winning. Like every team has a chance of winning. Okay, so we at Hack for Bengal don't believe in quitting. Every successful submission will be rewarded, and when we say this, we mean it, right? So on saying this, let us welcome Kunal, who is here from MLH. Manish, can you add him here?
Yeah, he is here.
Great, Kunal, all over
Hey
to you.
Hello,
everyone.
Kunal.
Hi,
Hey
Kunal.
everyone. I was just watching
Yeah.
your presentation. Some great numbers that you're showing, and you shall be very proud of yourself. As an hackathon enthusiast, I know how difficult and challenging it is to host events on such a large scale. So yeah, I'm excited. Let me just share my screen real quick. 1 second. How do I present this slideshow? Share screen. Screen one. Let me know if you can see that. You'll have
Yeah,
to
it's
add it.
there.
Yeah.
Just a second. Yeah, it's there.
Cool. So, welcome everyone. I am Kunal from Major League Hacking. I'm a coach at MLH and I'm also an open source enthusiast. I will be able to answer all your questions. I'm also in the Discord channel. There's also an Ask MLH channel. You can ask questions related to MLH over there. And I'll also be sharing some swag opportunities with you. So, bear with me. And everything that you need this weekend can be found on like hack.mlh.io. And you can connect with other hackers at discord.mlh.io. So you might be wondering what is MLH if this is your first hackathon, which is great because I saw that there's a nice price category for beginners. So I believe it's good to cherish beginners as well. So MLH is a global organization that empowers over 135,000 hackers around the world, and you can take part in events and member events and all these other things that MLH does and win community points. But let's talk a little bit more about what is the role of a coach and what I'm going to do at this hackathon and how MLH is going to help you this weekend at your hackathon, right? So first of all, we'll be running an MNS Paint Bob Ross mini event as well. We believe in like taking some time off from hacking, so like 30-minute chill sessions where you can network and have fun. So some one of many events, like one of the Bob Ross mini event we'll be doing around tomorrow. More information will follow, and you can, as mentioned previously, you can get a beautiful limited edition 2022 season mascot T-shirt while supplies last. And we have like all the resources that you need. So for example, we were talking about sponsors and prizes. So here's like you can build a hack with any Twilio API, and you can use the $50 trial credit. No credit card addition is required. You can get started today using the link over here. You can also build an app using Deso and get a chance to win $100 worth of Deso coin, and you can just check out more on here. So this is the short link URL hackp.ac/deso, right? You can also use Hedra's testnet in your hack and get a chance to win a glorious modular compact mechanic keyboard. I've been using some pretty nice keyboards myself, and yeah, these ones are pretty cool. So don't miss this opportunity and do check it out. Cool. Now it's obviously not cool if you are making a project but not able to share it with your friends, so you can use something like Linode for that, and you can use code edit registry without any credit card. You can get a free domain name and a website builder also, right? And the code for this weekend is this: mlh hac 412 ki or kl98a. So this will be shared in like you can see it on the screen over here in the bottom right, but I'll also share it on Discord. Okay, this video is uploaded on YouTube, so you can rewatch it. And you can also check out Auto, and you can add authentication to your hack, and will win some amazing swag as you can see on the screen. If you want to see these again, it's available on the Hack4Bengal website, so you can check out the website. The amazing organizers have already shared it in the in the um, in the chat. Cool. All right, and you can also run an iDemo sticker if you demo your hack while supplies last. And if you're looking for an awesome job or opportunities, now let's talk a little bit more about that. You can head over to this URL. And also, there's the MLH fellowship thing going on. It's like an internship alternative that started in 2020. I was a part of the very first MLH fellowship batch. It was a great experience. I contributed to the Facebook, now Meta, the Jest project. And as you can see, they're sponsored by Meta. which was Facebook and GitHub, so many other companies. So the idea is you get to learn production level skills, you get to contribute to open source. It's 100% remote, and you can earn a stipend as well. The networks that you'll make, you will have mentors who will help you, and it definitely helps you land a job as well, right? I've been involved in this program for over a year now, and it has been a great experience. So please do apply. Anyone can apply. If you're a beginner, you can apply. If you're just starting out, you're a professional or stuff, you can apply. So yeah, one good thing is, in case let's say you didn't don't get selected this time, the good thing is that MLS Fellowship runs 3 times a year, and you can apply as many times as you want. So don't worry about it. Just give your best. Cool. All right, Global Hack Week is going on, and make sure you check that out as well. And since it's an MLHment, though, so on a serious note, you know everyone has to follow the code of conduct. Everyone means everyone, not just like participants, but me also, right? Me, organizers, all the sponsors, participants. So highly recommend you to read the code of conduct. Basically, it's just like be a good human being, don't create any incidents, and respect everyone. So MLH hackathons, all the MLH events are a safe space for everyone. In case you want to report an incident, you can reach out to this email and this phone number for emergency only. Right. Again, thanks for all our partners. And that's pretty much from my side. I will be there in the Discord channel answering all the questions. And I'll share an announcement also in the announcements channel, where you can, you know, um, fill out a form and for the swag basically. So I'll do that shortly. But yeah, if you have any questions, then in the Discord channel there is the MLH chat channel. You can ask your questions over there.
Yeah, great, Kunal. It was great interacting with you. So yeah, so you can anytime contact Kunal for any issue related to MLH, or if you want to know more about the prices. We have also updated Devfolio with the prices detail. If you just go to Devfolio and the prices section, there are briefly explained price details, so you will get it. And still, if you have any doubt, you can always reach out to him on the Discord server. Yeah, thank you very much, Kunal. Swam, you can start from.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, here we are. So as I already told, you folks might have heard from Kunal also that every team has a chance of winning. So swags and all is already for everyone who makes a successful submission. Okay, so that's the important point you have to keep in mind. So and also a big shout out, big. I mean, when I big, it's big. A community up for our community partners. We had Hack This Fall as our community partner. Also, we had Hack This League as our community partner. Okay, we also had GDG Kolkata, as in Google Developer Group Kolkata, for our community partners, and we got a lot of participation of them as well. And also a shout out to our most active community partner, through which who came with all other community partners, but proved themselves and got up to here. A huge shout out to Code Chef AGC chapter, Amritsar Group of Colleges chapter, and Gaurav, it's like Code Chef chapter's president. A huge shout out to you for helping us with the participation we needed from your state as well as your college. So Gaurav did not only bring participation from his state, he not only from his college, he also brought it from his state also. So a huge shout out for that. Coming to the judges, here are our judges who will be judging in our hackathon. We have Manvi Singwal, who is a judge. We have Som Messing also as a judge. We have Jaideep Day as a judge. We have Yati Padia as an SWE at Red Hat. She is also a judge. We have Kunal, who is an MLH coach. He'll be also acting as a judge. We have Vineet Shahdev. He is a SW2 at Postman. And also we will be having Ali Mustafa Sheikh, who is a student community lead at Postman. Okay. So we will be having these judges. If you have any issues at all, you can just reach out to them anytime in the Discord server. They are all there. Coming to the Q&A, Manish, would like to take it up from here, the Q&A part?
Yeah, for sure. Like we need to take questions. So basically, guys, for Q&A, you can just join your you can join with any devices. Just scan this QR code, or even you can just go to just you can go to slido.com and put this 6-digit letter, and after just joining, you can you can start putting your questions. And I'm just sharing my screen also. Let me just yeah, you can just go there and say put your questions. Okay, where's that? All right. Yeah, here it is. So every question which will go there will reflect here. So if you have any questions, just scan this QR code and put your questions there. Anything, like anything related to hackathon, anything related to like any queries related to hackathon, just put it. Just scan this QR code or just go to slido.com and put this 6 digit letter. 6 digit. That's it,
If we get
and you're
some
good
good
to go.
questions, who knows what will happen? Okay, so
Exactly.
just a small thing.
Hmm.
Come on, folks, let us have your doubts. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, if you have anything and everything related to our hackathon, if you need to know something which you don't know, feel free to join in and post your questions.
Okay, what does success of, okay, so let me take this question. So basically a successful submission mean there you need to submit your project with properly upload in GitHub repository. Also according to the project, like according to your problem statement which you solved, you need to write up proper answers. Like there, while you submitting your project, you need to answer it. What is your problem, like what are you solving exactly, and what are the tech stacks you used, and what is the link of your pitch video. Like pitch video is most important part of this particular hackathon or every hackathon, because we are not able to meet or read every line of code, but your pitch video plays a well role. Okay, so you need to for a successful submission means a GitHub repository link, a particular project for the particular project, and the pitch video. That's it. And your all the answers which will asked by the platform. That's, I hope it's answered your question, whosoever. So can you please describe more about demo video? So demo video is more like a pitch video which will be for 3 minutes. Maybe you can check multiple pitch video on the uh, internet or YouTube, or even you, if you have watched Shark Tank, it's a best option, like best like example for this. Like pitch video is something where you are going to pitch or demo your product. Okay, so basically in 48 hours you will able to make a prototype which you need to show in your video. Okay, you may make a presentation, but we won't recommend you to create a presentation, because in 3 minutes what you will present. Okay, you can't explain, so it's better to demo your project and show it like like live project. You can show the live project to the, so that judges can judge you easily. I hope it's clear. Mm, Hack4Bengal.tech on this website says different thing for swags for all. Will be able to get these swags if you make a submission. Yeah, will we? Yeah, you will. If a submission is valid, you will get a swag. Can the video replaced with the PPT file? No, video should be video. Like there should be a pitch video. Either you are presenting a PPT, either you are give a demonstration of your project, but it should be a PPT. Okay, what if our team can't finish the code itself? So basically, Subham, would you like to take this?
Yeah, yeah, sure. So as Manish already told, the project must be created within this 48 hours of the hackathon. Anything and everything beyond that will be like the judges have a pretty good experience of judging things, so they'll make sure they understand about whether this thing was made within 2 days or not. So it's totally fine if your team hasn't been able to finish the code. You can just present a prototype or whatever your idea is. The thing which best represents your idea, that will be counted as a submission.
True. What will demo video include PPT? So it's totally optional. It's totally up to you. Would you want to make a PPT presentation on the demo video, or if you want to real time demo? So I recommend for 3 minutes video. For like it's around 3 minutes maximum. You can create a video for 3 minutes. So I recommend don't go for PPT. Just go with your project. You can just show it and demo it, like, and explain it why you build it, what is the problem statement you followed. That's it. Those things will work well. Mm, does the project need to be a completely finished project? Not at all, Ayush. Like no project can build in 48 hours fully. Like there are lots of stuffs we need to take care about. So you just need to build a prototype where you can show that you can solve this problem with this particular idea. Like you just need to prove your idea that you can solve it. That's it. If you can prove it with a simple code, then it's great. Like if judges can if you can convince your judge, that's it.
Yeah, as a, rule, a piece of software can't be created within 2 days. So yes, you have time.
We can create tools for the hackathon, right? Do we need to use technology like Quest Montulo? It can be standalone to solve problem. It's totally up to you. like it's totally up to you. If you use this technology, you might get some swags from the company, but yeah, it's totally up to you. We are not going to force you to use this particular technology for this particular hackathon. There is nothing like that. You are totally independent, and whatever you want to use, you can use. That's We need to finish the whole project to win, or idea itself is more important? Basically, idea is more important, of course, but yeah, you need to prove it according to your skills that you can do it. Basically, it's not a ideathon, so we are not going to judge you just by idea. You need to build something and show us. Like, yeah, I hope it's answer your question. What if some of the components of our project are not made from scratch, that against the code of conduct? So I already told you in rules. So basically, you can use multiple APIs, you can use multiple like whatever, like multiple technologies, like those technologies are all pre-built, so you can just use it in your project. There is not an issue, but you just need to give them credit. As if it's an open source project, you just need to give them credits that you are using this particular feature or this particular API from this particular area or company, whatever it is. Okay. It's not against the code of conduct until you are just copying the code and pasted and build the project, or copying whole project and submitting it. Okay, I hope it's clear. Yeah.
Uh, I guess there's a bit of lag from Manisha's side. We'll just wait to see whether he's having any issues or something, and we'll be back live soon. Just give me a minute here. Manish, you there? Okay.
Yeah, and there, I guess my network is also. So you
Yeah,
can,
here
if
you
you
are.
can see the question, you can like
We
move
got
the
you back.
question.
We got you
Yeah,
back.
give
We
it.
got you back.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry, guys.
Network issues can
Network
occur
issues.
every
Yeah.
time,
So
anytime.
what if only one of the team member? Exactly. What if only one of the team member does the coding part? Okay. So it's totally, that's too up to you. Like if only one member is coding or two member is coding, rest are from idea, the rest are doing ideation and building prep, like your pitch video or whatever it is. So it's totally up to you. It's your team. You can form it and you can like utilize it. It's totally up to you. There is no rule that you need to. Everyone should code. Okay. Can my video contain only audio? Mm, okay. I don't have any issue till judges don't have. Can we use Loom recorder to record? You can use anything, whatever you want. There is no rule like we are suggesting any app or promoting any app. But yeah, you can use anything, whatever you want. Okay, what defines a successful submission? I guess I already answered this. Anything you will, if you are able to complete your project, you can complete your. If you are able to submit your GitHub link and a pitch video, that's it. This is a complete submission. Will there be any presentation round two? No, there will not be any presentation round because as this is an online hackathon, so we had not kept this time. But yeah, who benefits from participating in the hackathon? I guess Subham, would you like to answer this?
I guess the organizers benefit. We have too much of benefits in that. Yeah, but
Who
jokes
benefits?
aside, the
Yeah.
participant has the most benefit. You get exposure and all. You build your product. That's the most important thing. So what more do you need?
So I would like to share experience of mine. Like for if I want to build a project earlier, I used to participate in hackathon because after thinking for a particular project, we can't start. Like we'll postpone it, or maybe we'll we'll always drop it. Like I have this work, I have that work, we'll do it after 2 days, 1 day, 2 days, 1 day. It will goes on. Okay, so what I used to do, like if I want to build some project, I just tell my team member that is the project. If they're interested, I just will together participate in the project, in the hackathon. And there are a strict deadline, that is 24 hour, 36 hour, or 48 hours. Okay, so in that deadline we are able to start the project, and like maybe we can build a prototype. And then after once it started, we'll able to do this regularly or maybe frequently. But yeah, it's just started, at least it started. But before that, it's not going to start because we are like too lazy to start it. Maybe we are postponed it because of other works. But yeah, hackathon participation is also important, plays an important role in this. This is my experience, totally my experience. Yeah. Are we going to get a certificate if you finish the project but we don't win? Yeah, of course you will. Everyone will going to get a participation certificate from us. That too verified, verifiable, so you can verify the certificate afterwards. Okay. Do we need to upload the git repo and the hosted link as well if considering a website? Yeah, of course. You can display as many things you can, so that judge can be easily judge you. So like, don't give them so much stress so that they can't. So yeah. Who benefits from participating? I guess it's answered already. What if two teams ending up creating somewhat similar project? Doesn't matter. Like, there are different code base, different team members. There are multiple projects. Even a multiple products exist in this world that run by multiple companies. So doesn't matter that you are building projects, similar projects with different team and different ideas. Yeah, even the idea same, but the implementation is different. Please try to give. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we are giving, if you are a beginner and you are winning a beginner prize, then you are able to win like beginners only, so you will able to get t-shirt. In the open innovation track, I can develop solution to type of cybersecurity problems, right? Is there any separate track for cyber? No, there is not separate track, but yeah, in the innovation open innovation track you can build a cybersecurity hack. Yeah. When will be the next hackathon? Came I very late. Oh, so sad. But yeah, you can always go to MLH. There are multiple hackathons happening every day. And for Hack for Bengal, you need to wait at least a year. Because yeah, this is the first season, but yeah, definitely will planning second season, third season, and go on. Okay, can we show the project as much it's done and the remaining part as UI and different video explain our reason? Yeah, of course you can do this. Like in a particular video, I can just suggest this. You can demo your project and all. So like tell your problem and the approach you are going to, you have taken to solve this problem, and then after that just tell your future vision. What are you planning to do with this? Because in 2 days you can't complete the project. Everyone knows. So yeah, you just need to explain your vision, why you had built this and what are you gonna do afterwards after this particular hackathon. Yeah, it's a good idea. And when will be the next hackathon? Okay, I guess it's not. From where can we check out the already available APIs from sponsors? So basically, if you go to the Hack for Bengal, hackforbengal.devfolio.co, someone from team just put the link below. And yeah, like you can just go there. You can able to get all the sponsors, all the prizes category who are giving the like rewards and what are the technology you need to use. There all the details are given there, and if you still have any doubts for the particular technology, you can always ping us on the Discord server. Mentors are there and even our sponsors are there to help you. Okay, how many rounds we'll have during the submission project? There are only single round, and after the single round we'll announce the winner. Yep. Will there be discussion round between judges and participants? No. As of now, no. We are not planned this for this particular hackathon, as it's basically focused beginner, so we don't want anyone to get out of any round. So it's totally open. Like anyone can participate. Like only the top 5 teams are will get the prize or something like that. But every successful submission, as I said, will get a prize. Can I participate now? Sorry to say, but the registration is already closed yesterday night. But yeah, better luck next time. Uh, we can use any tech stack, right? If we have any problems hosting only GitHub will be okay. Have problems hosting only GitHub repository will be okay. Can I use Web3? You can use any sort of technology, and also you can use GitHub repository to host. And can I use Web3? And its answer is yes, of course, because we have lots of blockchain sponsors. So go ahead and use it, and if possible, use their technology and win rewards. We want you to get rewards. I hope it's answer. How many participants and teams are there? So you can like I just said, like around 1500 teams and around 300 1500 participants and 300 teams are there in the hackathon. So yeah. How to know if anyone falls under beginner category? So while taking submission or while filling out your form, you have must check that there was a category where you need to write, is it your first hackathon? So this is how we will track that. If it is your first hackathon, then you must be a beginner. And if you are a beginner, you also need to specify it while submitting your project. Will there must be an option? Even if there is no option, it's totally fine. We'll get to know who are the beginners and all. As I said, we have already checked your answers on the form. Will there be a check-in now? Yes, there will be a check-in. We'll share a link on the Discord server. So make sure everyone join the Discord server. The UI links for the Discord server on the chat, and I request our moderators to share it on the chat. Yeah. Also, just a second. Yeah. Will there be discussion project between yeah, yeah, I guess it's already answered. Can one project win more than one sponsor prize? No. Oh, one project should win only one. So it gives a fair chance to everyone. Uh, I guess it's answered. So is there any more question? Anything, guys? I guess there is no more questions, Subham. We can.
Yep, we can
Uh,
go over to the next
yeah,
part.
yeah, we can move. Yeah, I guess there is no more question.
If also, guys, if you have any question, anyone and everyone, you can just go over to our Discord server and always tag us, tag the organizers, tag the code team. If you have any questions specific to MLH, you can also tag the MLH coach. If you have any questions or any sponsors, there are sponsors. So just make sure you bring it to our attention, okay? And we'll be there to help you all.
Mhm.
Also,
Even
if
if you,
you, yeah,
So,
go ahead, Manish.
sorry, go
No,
ahead.
no, you go ahead, you go ahead.
All right, so I just told like if you have any technical issue, if you are facing any issue to build project or deploying it or anything related to your project, so you will get technical help. There are mentors in our server, so just tag at mentors. You are able to tag them and they can easily get to you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just you can continue, sir.
And yeah. So also, if you folks want to contact with us, we are always there for you. You can contact in us. The first way is through Discord. Secondly, you can also get through us by like hack4bengal at gmail.com. Also, in our website, there's a part called contact us. You can also go over there, but that seems to be a long way. So reach out to us directly on Discord. And also, we are currently virtual, but if you folks want to meet us offline, we are in Kolkata here. So like more notes on that after the hackathon ends. So we'll make sure you guys keep in the suspense and all, and let the hack begin, guys. With this, we like Manish, you want to go together? Let the hack
Yeah,
begin. This line together.
yeah,
Three,
yeah.
two, one.
Do I
Let the hack
let
begin.
the hack begin?
Very
I
bad
guess it's
coordination, but
not in
it's good.
sync.
It's
Okay,
good.
cool,
Okay,
cool.
so folks, let the hack begin. Let's get into coding and create some exciting things. Best of luck from Team Hack for Bengal. Again, thanks to each and every one of our sponsors. Thanks to the organizers. Thanks to the code team who worked day and night. Thanks to the volunteers who helped us. Thanks to each and everyone who participated. And also a huge shout out to all the community partners and anyone and everyone who helped us during this thing. Also, a huge shout out to our university who also helped us, our professors, our like sponsors, and all, and everything and anything. So a small idea became a big idea. Now it's your turn, like participants, to bring your ideas into advantage. Okay. So let the hack begin. That will be all from our side.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
can we do it one time at least in a sync?
Okay.
Yeah. So
Well, we
should I
can
go ahead
try.
with the 3, 2, 1?
Yeah, so 3, 2, 1 on a count of three, right?
I'll count. Okay.
Three.
I'll count. Okay. Wait. I'll
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay.
in 3, 2, 1. Let the hack
Let the hack
begin.
Let the
begin.
hack
Very
be.
bad sync again. Very bad
Rest in
sync
peace.
again.
Sorry.
Very bad
We can't
sync
do it.
again.
Okay. Okay.
NHK. Not
All
happening.
right. We'll do on
But
the
but
offline
everyone,
meetup.
we might not be in sync, but you guys, all your team members, be in sync and make a good presentation and good solution. Yeah.
All
So
the
have a
best,
great
guys.
event and yeah, and
Great
focus on
hackathon, guys.
solving. Yeah, have
Yep.
a great hackathon.
Also, the check-in link will be circulated in the Discord shortly. So make sure you folks
Yeah, yeah,
fill
yeah,
in that. Otherwise, the swags won't be shipped to you. Okay. So make sure you
Exactly.
do
yeah,
that.
Yeah. It will counted as
yeah, and
your
also
attendance.
like yeah, and also like follow all the guidelines that are there, and also all the notices and announcement that are there. Like those are very much important. Like what guidelines do you need to follow? What is the format that you need to follow? Like Manish discussed some of them, but like all the detailed guidelines will be always there. Okay, so do follow that and
Okay,
follow all the
so
announcements. Thank you, everyone.
yeah, so there are a good question like, can we
Also,
start code after this opening ceremony? But don't do it. Just
don't
don't
do
do
it.
it. You will
Don't
do
do it.
it after 10 p.m. We'll announce it on the Discord server that hackathon starts. Even on the like dev folio, you can just check like submission links is not yet opened, so it will open by 10 p.m. So yeah, you can start after 10 p.m. Go ahead,
Yep.
guys. And also, there are some rules channel on the Discord server. Just check it for clarification if you want to clear any rules or if you have any doubt. And even after reading it, if you have any doubt, you can always reach out to us. You can contact our moderators, our team members, core team. There are lots of stuffs are going on the Discord server. So just join it.
And
Thank you.
one more thing, folks. Manish, I have shared a link with you in the private chat. Can you put it up in the screen?
Okay, there's giveaway. All right.
Yes.
Is
No,
it a surprise or
the one
something?
which is already going on. Many folks might not be knowing, so I'll just tell in case again.
Okay, okay, I got it. Got it.
Yep, that one.
All
So
right.
here we have an exclusive giveaway. Hack4Bengal and the ad company have collaborated for this mega giveaway. We have 80 t-shirts up for grabs. I don't know how many are left, but who knows? There is something might be. So when you go over there, you will be seeing a form which will look something like this. You have to follow some very easy steps, and you can get yourself a mystery t-shirt. Okay, folks. So make sure you do that so that you can get your hands upon a very good mystery t-shirt, I must say. So this was a thing which you folks need to know about. So make sure you do make your submissions and get yourself a chance to win a mystery t-shirt from that company, Exact for Bengal. That was it from my side, Manish.
Okay. Thank you very much. So we can, I guess, wrap up this. Thank you very much.
Yes.
All the best. See you tonight, 10 p.m.
Bye
Bye
bye,
bye.
guys. Best of luck.
Bye bye everyone. Best of luck. Happy hacking.